Hello friends, are you wondering where and how to learn English language? Then watch this video until the end so that you can overcome this problem. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do it by clicking on the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for further videos. English language, either written or spoken, consists of sentences. But have you ever thought what these sentences consist of? A basic English language sentence consists of three things: subject, verb, object. Let's understand this with few examples. Example number 1. The cook burnt the dinner. Here in this sentence, the cook is the subject, burnt is the verb. The dinner is the object. Example number 2. The passport officer examined the passport. In this sentence, the passport officer is the subject, examined is the verb. The passport is the object. So, this was our basic sentence word order. I hope you find this video useful. You can also tell us about this video in the comment box down below. Also, share, like, and subscribe.